In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in HubSpot. Let's dive in and explore how you can streamline your sales process by setting up a deal in HubSpot, ensuring all your efforts are organized and accounted for efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and perform a quick Google search for HubSpot CRM. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the HubSpot CRM software link from the search results. This will take you to HubSpot's main CRM page. Once you're on the page, look for the Get Started Free button and give it a click. This will lead you to a section where you can either create a new account or log into an existing one. If you don't have an account yet, now's the perfect time to create one. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. After logging in, you'll be prompted to continue with the user you've just logged in as. Confirm by clicking on Continue with this user. At this point, you may need to select an account if you have multiple, then click Continue with this account. This will ensure you're working under the correct profile or business entity. Next, navigate to the CRM main dashboard. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Deals section. It's within this area that we'll be setting up our new deal. Once you're in the Deals section, click the Create Deal button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be given the option to set it up yourself, so select I'll set up myself to proceed to the deal creation page. Now, it's time to fill in the details of your deal. While entering information, be as thorough as possible. Capture details like deal name, amount, deal stage, close date, and any other information that's relevant to your specific sales process. The more complete this part is, the more informative insights you'll gain later on. While inputting these details, look for the Associate Deal With section. Here, you can link your deal to existing contacts or companies in your HubSpot database, keeping everything interconnected. Once you're satisfied with the entries, move on and click on the Create button to save your new deal. After the deal is created, go inside the deal record and take advantage of HubSpot's features to add notes, schedule calls, set tasks, or even attach documents. This functionality allows you to centralize all deal-related activities, ensuring that you and your team can track progress and communicate effectively. That wraps up our guide on creating a deal in HubSpot. By following these steps, you ensure your sales process is clear, organized, and efficient. Remember, regularly updating and tracking your deals in HubSpot will provide you with valuable insights that contribute to your overall sales strategy and success. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.